Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, the application was unable to start correctly with the error code 0xc0000142, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to click download on this. You're going to download this file up. And then once you're done downloading it, you're going to open it up. And here what you're going to do is you're going to extract all of these files into your GTS directory. So click on to extract to, go into your GTS directory now. Here it is, click OK then. And after that, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here Windows Defender or Windows Security. You're going to go into virus and threat protections, go into manage settings here, scroll down, click add or remove exclusions, click yes, click add an exclusion, click folder. Now go to your GTS directory and select folder on here, add the folder to exclusions, and now when you try to play GTA 5, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that 0xc0000142 error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.